My topic for RPP is Imitation Market Rajkot. In jewelry industry, plain gold jewelry, original diamond studded jewelry and imitation jewelry are manufactured differently. All jewelry other than imitation jewelry is made in platinum, gold and silver. Imitation jewelry is made in brass, zinc, lead and copper. Imitation jewelry is a fashionable jewelry which is mostly used in a market for a short period of time. As they are economically at lower prices other than gold and silver jewelry, women and girls usually buy imitation jewelry as per dress or sari they buy. Stones which are used in imitation jewelry are glass or rain. The type of imitation jewelry produced in Rajkot are earrings, bangles, necklaces and rings. Nowadays there is a more demand of Ramlila earrings, jhummers and bangles. In Mumbai, people prefer bigger designs in jewelry, whereas people in Chennai prefer smaller designs. Mumbai and Chennai market makes the jewelry which is made up of zinc and lead. The basic procedure of making an item is that of casting, finishing and final finishing and packaging at last. Now let us see the brief process about the casting. First, the making of mold, coating through vacuum, drying of plaster of Paris, keeping it in the furnace at 200 degrees Celsius. In furnace, wax gets burnt and the design is printed after 10 hours in the furnace. Brass metal is put in with a great pressure, tree of casting is obtained, finally tree is cut for the further processes. Then comes the finishing of the piece. Finishing includes ghugri fitting, kadi fitting and jartar work. Final finishing of items include diamond sticking, diamond cut and minnow work. The majority done by the labourers is called job work. Now the final product is pegged. Labour employed in the process of finishing, final finishing and packaging is ordinary housewives who earn enough by doing such menial tasks with great perfection. The pricing of the jewelry is done by including the cost of raw material, that is diamond, minnow and gold plating, packaging charges, material, that is brass, and labor charges, that is 30% of the costing of job work. Labor charges are charged per piece of the item. Labor charges include the charges of casting, fitting, plating, final finishing and packaging. Marketplace for Rajkot production is India itself, where it distributes its product in Chennai, Mumbai, Bangalore, UP, Bihar and MP, etc. It also exports to Pakistan, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Gulf countries. When it comes to exporting those jewelry to European countries and American countries, they don't allow those jewelry containing lead as it is harmful to the skin which causes cancer. Affecting the market. The main factors in the market are publicity of jewelry through movies, marriage season, demand of jewelry in the market, different festivals in India all over the world. Now, I would like to show you a video about how the demand in Rajkot gears up during Navratri.
Imitation jewelry industry in Rajkot gears up for Navratri. The artificial jewelry industry in the Rajkot city of Gujarat is gearing up for the upcoming Hindu festival of Navratri. The business during the festive season, irrespective of region and religion, is always high. And to meet the demand, preparations have begun well in advance.
नवरात्रि में भी बहुत हमारा ये राजकोट का झुमका फेमस है। झुमका नवरात्रि में चलता है। नेकलेस है, जो बड़े बड़े पेंडेंट वाले नेकलेस आते हैं वो राजकोट का फेमस है। ऑक्सीडाइज वाले सब वो नवरात्रि में पहनते हैं। तो वो सब 2-3 आइटम जो राजकोट की वो नवरात्रि में फेमस है।
The Navratri, 9 nights dedicated to various forms of the goddess Durga, is the most famous festival of Gujarat. And the imitation jewelry business reaches its peak during this event. Organizers of the Garba, an Indian dance form performed as part of the celebrations, order these jewelry pieces in bulk to gift it as Lani, token of appreciation to participants. Moreover, the high price of gold is even prompting the rich to go in for this jewelry. Jewelry made out of copper, brass and German silver metal is cheaper, and their attractive design makes them popular across the society. According to Rajkot's jewelry manufacturers, there are 1,500 workers engaged in the imitation jewelry business. Rajkot imitation jewelry is famous even abroad, and the items are exported to Kuwait, Yemen, Bangladesh and Pakistan. Purnima for ANI.
Production. Rajkot is known as the imitation hub, and one of the main advantages of Rajkot market is that the casting is done at very low cost, and the vacuum casting is moreover famous for it. Now, the profit margin of the Rajkot production is also very low, and it is done with very great perfection.